Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for your iPhone 15 Pro. So let's start from the basic functions. For example, when you are on the photo mode and you want to change the brightness level, you can just click on the screen and move this sun icon up and down to decrease or simply increase the brightness level. You are also able to do this automatically by tapping on the screen like that. That's very obvious actually. Next, we can also find the zoom presets, the 4 presets, but also we can click and hold on the preset and we will unlock this manual slider. As you can see right now, we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by moving this slider. And it works the same for the video mode, as you can see. But we cannot zoom into the 15 times, we can zoom into the 9 times. Next, when you are in this photo mode, we are also able to click right here and unlock other options. For example, we can change aspect ratio. It's the best to stay with the 4:3 to get the best photo resolution, the photo quality. When we tap right here, we are also able to adjust the exposure. And here we've got shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. That's the shutter countdown, and also the flashlight is blinking each time. There we go. I'm gonna turn it off right now. You can also turn on the live photos by tapping right here. So the live photo is like, it takes a short video before you take the photo, and then when you open this photo in the gallery, you will have. Let me show you how it works. Countdown, and also, as you can hear, countdown, and also it also registers the voice or the details that we have. So we've got like small preview in the video of our normal photo. And next, we are also able. Let's turn off this mode. We've got also other options right here, but we have to open this settings. So on the iPhone, when you are on the base settings, you have to scroll down until you find the camera option. There we go. And right here we can, for example, increase the video quality. So we can set even 4K in the 60 frames per second. That's also an option to increase the stabilization. We've got also action mode for the lower lights. Here we can set automatic FPS, but I think it will be the best to stay with the... Okay, never mind. I guess it will be the best to stay with this option, honestly, because we can reach even 60 frames per second. And next, when you go back, we've got also the same for the slow motion. We can switch to the 120 frames per second or 240. We've got the cinematic mode quality, so we can also do this with the 4K. Next, when we scroll down, we can also find other options, like for example, use volume up for the burst. So right now, when I use the volume buttons and hold it, the iPhone is going to take the series of the photos. The same for the volume down. Okay, never mind, the volume down is actually linked to the video, so that's my bad. And here you've got also able to turn on or off the grid lines and the camera leveler. When we scroll down, we can find the main camera equivalent. We can switch it like so. And we can just go back. We can also find for sure the other modes like time-lapse, slow motion, cinematic mode. And yeah, I guess that's all. That's all camera tips and tricks for the iPhone 15 Pro. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.